guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I wanted to try an experiment and try making some vegan chocolate cake. So I first got going on measuring out some pumpkin, which I've heard is an alternative to eggs and oil, and then I got my chocolate cake into my bowl and added the pumpkin in, and then added applesauce, which is kind of the same thing, the eggs and the oil. And I added that into the bowl and mixed it together, and it didn't really want to do it. I could definitely tell not adding in oil made it a lot harder to mix, but once that was all done, I just went and sprayed my pan with some nonstick spray and then poured it in. And then I spread it out as evenly as I could and baked it. And once it was done, it kind of looked like brownies. But then I made my peanut butter frosting with powdered sugar and PB2 because your girl is watching her figure and I just wanted to use PB2 instead of regular peanut butter to save fat. And then I added in almond milk to make my frosting, and I ended up needing to add another tablespoon to get it to look like frosting, but there it was, nice and thick. And then I put it on my cake, and it didn't spread very well. One, because my glaze frosting is kind of like a weird texture, and two, my cake wasn't completely cooled. So I knew that it wasn't gonna look very good, but I was like, as long as it tastes good, that's what matters. So after I served my family a slice, I went and cut me a slice, and it was like super warm still, so it didn't cut very well. It was super gooey on the inside. I mean, it looked great. The texture was good, but as I was eating it, I was like, this tastes a lot like pumpkin, and it's very chocolatey. The peanut butter didn't come through at all. I would rate this probably a 5 out of 10, just because it wasn't good, but it wasn't bad, but like, I kept eating it.